Greetings everyone. Today we are going to cover 7 best and free Udemy TikTok marketing courses. Gain an edge within the energetic world of social media promoting TikTok showcasing courses. Open the insider facts to creating captivating TikTok substance, leveraging patterns, and optimizing your brand's nearness on the stage. Learn from industry specialists who will direct you through proven strategies to develop your TikTok group of onlookers, increment engagement, and drive changes. 7th course, How to Use TikTok for Business, Beginner to Advanced by Udemy. This course has been made by Scott D. Clary. Effective TikTok strategies to get you more followers, connections, and sales so you can grow your business. Topics covered in this course are TikTok walkthrough, TikTok strategy, creating content, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages. How to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. About businesses and organizations that have already leveraged the TikTok platform to get the word out. How to engage with your audience on TikTok. This course is for if almost no one is liking or sharing things you post on TikTok, or you have no idea how to get the most out of TikTok to promote your business, this course is for you. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 6th course, Master TikTok Business Marketing in Under 60 Minutes by Udemy. This course has been made by Trent Paul. Unlock the power of TikTok advertising and influencer collaboration for maximum brand visibility and engagement. Topics covered in this course are the optimal TikTok profile, TikTok content, advertising on TikTok, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages. What TikTok is as a platform, and how it can be used for marketing. Creating and optimizing TikTok profiles for marketing use. Creating content for TikTok marketing purposes. This course is for marketers or business owners looking to use TikTok as a marketing tool. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 5th course, TikTok Marketing, How to Go Viral and Grow in and More by Udemy. This course is made by Daniel Thomas. TikTok promoting diagram on how to go viral and accomplish fast development. Observe live video illustrations and demonstrations. Topics covered in this course are the TikTok tools, TikTok development hacks, creating a winning TikTok substance procedure, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages. How to make reliably viral content. Discover the finest times to post and how regularly to post. Learn how the TikTok calculation works. This course is for TikTok influencers, TikTok creators, businesses looking to scale up their deals with TikTok. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 4th course, TikTok Marketing, Go Viral with Authentic Videos by Udemy. This course is made by Skylar Chase, featured within the New York Times. Develop 10,000+ adherents on TikTok in 1 month. Get the ins and outs of the platform. Topics covered in this course are the culture of TikTok, deciding what to post based on your specialty, a breakdown on trending sounds, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages. Optimize your TikTok profile to offer to your niche. Go viral without having any followers. Discover trends on the rise that suit your niche. This course is for anyone curious about learning TikTok for business. Anyone looking to memorize TikTok marketing. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 3rd course, TikTok Growth Mastery by former TikTok strategist by Udemy. This course is made by Kayla Shaheen. Proven TikTok promoting strategies to maximizing your reach and engagement, taught by ex-TikTok employee. Topics covered in this course are business versus maker account, creative video hacks, finding your voice, and while calculate, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages. Use TikTok to attain your individual or trade goals. Find your winning TikTok video format. Learn TikTok SEO, look motor optimization. This course is for beginner, intermediate, expert marketers who need to ace TikTok marketing. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. Second course, TikTok Marketing. Grow your account and master TikTok ads by Udemy. This course has been made by Darius Mora, Evan Kimbrell. Watch us break down the TikTok framework, plan advertisement campaigns, and develop innovative account to 10K devotees in 30 days. Topics covered in this course are growth tactics, how to form cash on TikTok, TikTok for business, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: how to develop your possessed TikTok account organically, how to plan and scale TikTok advertisement campaigns, how to plan substance particularly for TikTok's algorithm. This course is for anyone who needs to require advantage of TikTok for promoting their business, anyone who needs to require advantage of TikTok for developing their possessed individual brand. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. First course, TikTok Marketing. 10 Strategies for Rapid Growth on TikTok by Udemy. This course has been made by Nick Swami. Learn capable TikTok promoting techniques for picking up devotees, leads, and deals on TikTok. Topics covered in this course are supercharge your profile, define your substance value, optimize your videos, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: supercharge your TikTok profile, create viral substance for the TikTok algorithm, take advantage of trending TikTok sounds. This course is for influencers, professionals, anyone else who wants to memorize the most excellent TikTok promoting methodologies and development hacks. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be updated on online courses. Thanks for watching.